In order to set the 2D e-fence ceiling boundary, the operator will set his boom to a safe height. Then turn on e-fence. The display will return to the home screen. Next, press the far right menu button, select the e-fence app, and select e-ceiling to turn it on. You can hear the tone. Go back to the home screen. You can see the line is green, letting you know the e-ceiling feature has been activated. As you boom down, then back up, the machine will not let you go higher than that setting. It hydraulically stops the machine from going above that point. The alternative way to enable e-ceiling is to press and hold directly on the icon on the home screen, but then press on the arrow to the right of the green box. This will allow you to enter in the numerical ceiling height value. Enter your ceiling height in metric millimeters and press Apply. Then return to the home screen. As you boom up to that height, you will hear the tone become active. The machine will stop at that height limit. To deactivate e-fence, press the lower right menu. Select e-fence, then press 2D e-fence ceiling to deactivate. Return to the home screen and notice the green line has disappeared. For more information, consult your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local CAT dealer.